The dinosaur has sent out a distress signal. Let's see what's going on. A group of Allosaurus is attacking Stegosaurus. Let's check it out. Little Panda Rescue Team, let's go at once. Magic watch, activate. A large bot, a powerful a small head. Captain Kiki, super transformation. Mechanical Stegosaur. Let's chase the Allosaurus away. Let's chase the Allosaurus away. Super Stegosaurus Light Beam. Super Stegosaurus Light Beam! Great! The Allosaurus are gone! Rescue team, fantastic work! Miss Stegosaurus, let me examine your body to see if there are any injuries. Magic watch, activate the checkup device. The test results show that Miss Stegosaurus is weak and undernourished. The scan of the back area shows the severe damage in the bone plates. Go and treat Miss Stegosaurus now. Commence the treatment. Treatment is complete. Wow, I feel much better. We've built a dinosaur paradise. Would you like to go with us? Great. Let's go together. Let's scan the dinosaur. Scan started. The Stegosaurus has 4 spikes on its tail to defend against enemy attacks. The dinosaur scan is complete. I'll leave it to Momo next. No problem. I'll take the dinosaurs to Dinosaur Paradise. Little Panda Rescue Team, mission accomplished. This is an illustrated handbook just scanned. I wonder if the Stegosaurus is happy. Let's go to the Dinosaur Paradise together. No internet. Please ask your dad or mom for help. This is the Dinosaur Paradise on this planet. The revived dinosaurs can live happily here. The Stegosaurus is dirty. This energy gem. Use it to make the paradise bigger. The energy of gem is collected. Construction robots, let's get to work. Wow, terrific! The dinosaur paradise is getting bigger. Let's head back and see what other There are still many dinosaurs that need to be rescued. Let's go help them. Check it out. Little Panda Rescue Team, let's go at once. Magic Watch. Activate the checkup device. The results show that Mr. Pteranodon is weak and undernourished. When scanning its wings, we have found many wounds that need immediate treatment. This is the magical herb which can heal wounds. Let's go look for some. Let's find where are the magic herbs. Mr. Pterosaur, we found the magic herbs. Let's give you treatment right away. The juice of the magic herb can heal wound.
Thank you, guys. My wings are getting much better.
Great!
I'm starving and have no strength.
Don't worry. I can turn into Mechanical Pteranodon and help you with fishing. Magic Watch, act! Captain Kiki, Super Transformation! Mr. Pteranodon wants to eat these fish. Please help find these fish. There are more fish ahead. Let's fly over to check them out. We've caught all the fish. Let's bring them to Mr. Pteranodon. Mr. Pteranodon, here are your fish.
Thank you! I can fly high up in the sky again!
We've built a dinosaur paradise. Would you like to go with us?
Awesome! Let's go!